Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. I just recorded this short video to give you guys some instructions on your last assignment. For your seniors, your last day of instruction is this Thursday, and for everyone else, next Tuesday is your last official day of instruction, and then you'll have the rest of the time to kind of catch up and submit any missing assignments that you have. So this assignment that I'm going to talk to you about today is your last official assignment of environmental science. This one is called Greener Living, and I'm going to post it on Google Classroom, but I just wanted to kind of summarize it for you guys. We started off the year learning about the earth, how it formed and how it developed, and how a unique set of circumstances specific to the earth even allowed life to begin here. And then we learned about all the living things on the earth and how connected they are. We talked about biomes and complicated food webs, and we learned that all life is linked and interconnected, and that changes to one life form can have far-reaching effects that were impossible, if not really difficult, to predict. And lastly, we discussed our human interactions on the planet. We talked about how we are competing for space and resources as another living thing on the planet, and what we're doing as we try to increase the carrying capacity of the earth for humans. And our growing human population, that's what we talked about most recently, has a significant impact on our planet. And one thing that we can do to reduce our environmental footprint or our carbon footprint is to make smarter choices, and consume less and reduce our waste. And that is the crux of the this last project that you guys are going to do. I'm going to post a link to an EPA website called Greener Living, and you're going to pick one of the topics. They have a couple dozen initiatives on their website, and they are basically how to live more sustainably, things that we can do in our everyday lives to live more sustainably. I want you to pick one of these topics. It could be something that you could do yourself at home, something that you think you could easily start in your community, something that just kind of jumps out and interests you. They have a lot of different, here, I'll flip around here. They have a lot of different options. They have ones related to vehicles, fuel economy, green vehicles, reducing food waste, changing our water consumption, lawn and garden care, green sports. So there's a lot of different options to choose from. Could be something, we can make small changes in our life to how we shop and how we drive and how we could be the makeup that we're choosing, the clothing that we're choosing, reducing our physical waste, reducing our water waste, recycling, reusing, composting, a lot of things that we touched on in our current events this past year. If we had more time, if this course continued for another year, another half a year, those are the things we'd move into: energy use, pollution, conservation. But this is your chance to choose a topic and be creative and tell me what initiative you would like to start that would help the earth. You can use Google Slides, you can use Flipgrid, you can make a YouTube video and send it to me. And the assignment on Google Classroom, I'll post the rubric and the questions that you should answer, so it'll be pretty clear. If you have any questions, just reach out and ask me. But otherwise, I can't wait to see what you guys create.